Hello, kindergartners. I'm Ms. Bailey from the Western Virginia Water Authority. You know, some people look at water and just think it magically appears in their homes, at their sinks, and their faucets. But water has to come from someplace, and it comes from lakes and rivers and streams. It's our job at the Water Authority to take that water and make it clean and safe for you to drink. So the first question I'm going to ask you is, have you used water today? You over there in the blue, you didn't raise your hand. Let's see, because chances are you have used water today. Let's look. Did you brush your teeth today? I hope so. To brush your teeth, you're going to use water. Did you help someone with their laundry? Washing machines use water. Please tell me, did you take a bath? That's a good thing. You take a bath? Water. Were you nice? Did you help someone wash dishes? That's a great thing, using water. It's spring. Did you water a plant? Inside or outside? Plants need water. Okay, I know you did this today. You had to use one of these, right? And when you did, please tell me, you washed your hands afterwards, right? And most importantly, did you drink water today? We spend a lot of time cleaning water, and we want you to drink it. When you're in kindergarten, you learn many amazing things, and you may be studying matter. Matter is about things in our world that like to take up space. Look around the room that you're in. I'm going to look around the room that I'm in at all the things that are taking up space. The chair that I'm sitting in is taking up space, and it's a solid. I also know that at some point while I'm talking to you, I'm going to swallow. And that stuff, that's a liquid. And I also know that I'm breathing the air that's in this room, which is a gas, right? So we all are familiar with matter. But hey, do you know what? There's one thing on the face of the earth that can be all three. There's one thing that can be a solid, but it can also be a liquid, and it can also be a gas. Do you know what it is? Yes, I heard you from here. Water. Water can be all three. Wait, purple shirt. You didn't quite get that? Okay, let's explain it. When you're in your classroom at schools, you probably use a water fountain. And at a water fountain, that's liquid water, right? Water as a liquid. And you know that if it gets really cold outside, if there's any water on the ground, that water's going to freeze, and that's water as a solid, which we also call ice. Ice is water as a solid. Now, there's also water in the air in the room that you're in, and there's water in the room that I'm in. What do you mean you don't feel yourself getting wet? That's not what I mean. Do this. Just go. When you go, you're putting more water in the air. Yeah, I can show you. Take your hand, put it over your mouth, and go. Did you feel your hands start to get warm and wet? I know, isn't that cool? Because you didn't spit in your hand because that would be gross. But that's the breath. That's the water that's in your breath. You can't see it, but you can feel it. So how does water do all of these amazing things? Let's look at water as a liquid. When water is a liquid, it just goes splat. It doesn't have a shape. But if I take a solid cup and I pour water into that cup, the water takes on the shape of the container. Now, this is a medicine dropper. If you have ever had a cold, someone has probably given you medicine in a medicine dropper. Let me show you how it works. You squeeze the top, you put it into the water, you let go, and voila! Look, we have, by squeezing the top, little drops of water. Now, this is a penny. Hey, how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Whose face is on the penny? No, not George Washington. Abraham Lincoln. Now, in science, you have to make a prediction. A prediction means a smart guess. So, how many drops of water do you think will fit on that penny before the water falls off? What's that? I heard someone say 1. 1 is always a great guess. Oh, someone else said 5. Okay, so don't move. We're going to drop water drops on the penny. Let's see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, it's starting to come off over on the sides. And 15. We've got a drop right there. But you see how that makes like a bubble on the penny? Pretty cool, right? So you should have your science faces on going, Now, watch this one. Let's take another cup and let's add more water. And don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Whoa, 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 whoa. But wait, I'm going to take the dropper, some more water, and would you look at that? I am putting more water into the cup, and the water isn't falling out. Now, this is not magic. This, ladies and gentlemen, is science. Watch what happens. I'm going to give this cup a little push. The water still isn't falling out of the cup. You want to know why? You want to know why? You want to know why? I'm going to tell you. Because water is sticky. That's right. I said water's sticky. What do you mean you don't think water's sticky? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, water washes away sticky things. But water can also stick to your skin. Can I ask you a question? You ever taken a bath or taken a shower? Do you have to use a towel? Why? Because the water's sticking to you. Water loves to stick to itself, and it loves to stick to other things. Watch with the umbrella. Yeah, let me show you. This is another one of my favorite things. It's an umbrella, right? So let's take some water and spray it on the umbrella. Those water drops are really, really small, aren't they? Yeah, but notice sticking to the umbrella. Now, if I put on more water, do you see that something's happening? The water drops are getting, they're getting bigger. Exactly. They're sticking to each other. Now wait, there's something else happening. When you watch these water drops stick together, they're falling uphill or downhill. Downhill. Look at that. Water loves to flow downhill. So cool. Ooh. Water's sticky.